If your product images look uneven or oversized, resizing them in Shopify helps keep your store clean and professional. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Products. Select the product whose images you want to resize. Shopify doesn't resize images automatically, so the safest method is to upload correctly sized images. Remove the existing image if needed, then upload a resized version with consistent dimensions. After saving the product, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Open the product page settings and adjust image display options such as aspect ratio or image size if your theme allows it. Save the changes and preview the product page to confirm the images appear consistent and properly sized. After saving, your product images will display consistently across your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.